SPM Kambibel did not state his reasons for disqualifying himself from presiding over the two cases, but said he will ask other magistrates to take his place. The first case was in regards to election funds from 2022, which Mr. Lau was alleged to have deposited into his personal account, and the second case relates to 4 separate allegations. On the first case, Lau's lawyer Johnny Kolkia has made a no-case submission due to the lack of sufficient evidence.
The magistrate disqualified himself from hearing this matter. There was a previous matter that first charges that were made against the administrator back then, and we made applications for the charges to be dismissed for lack of sufficient evidence, or we made a no-case submission based on the evidence that we considered were not sufficient, and we were waiting for that ruling to be made. And then there was another magistrate was brought in to preside over that matter, and we objected to that, and that matter is still pending for ruling. And we argued before that other magistrate, Ms. Anturi, who was brought in. We advised her that this matter was we already made the submissions already, and we were waiting for a decision.
The second case is in relation to 4 different charges that have been laid against Mr. Lau by police investigators. The case went before the court today for mention after files were served on Mr. Lau's lawyer by the police prosecution team.
They also amended the information and were presented in court this morning, and we objected to that, and the fact that the file was given to us today, so we would need time to go through the evidence and see if there is possibility of us making an application on sufficiency of evidence. We'll have to see whether there's sufficient evidence to support the charges, 4 different charges that's been laid against him.
Anisah, Issimel, NBC National News, Madang.